Into a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can log in to the Doha Bank. Now to do that, firstly make sure that your device is connected to the internet and then open up a web browser. Once the web browser opens up, on the search bar type in Doha Bank and then hit the search button. After you hit the search button, you will be redirected to another page. Now on this page, simply click on this first link. Once you click on the first link, you will be redirected to the home page of Doha Bank. Now on this page, on the sidebar, you'll see this menu. Now on this menu, simply click on this login option. Now once you do that, another menu will appear. Now on this menu, simply find this login option on the side of this personal option and click on it. Once you click on that login option, another window or screen will appear on your device. Now on this screen, on the left hand side, you will see this form. Now on this form, fill in your username here, your password here, and then click on this login button. Once you click on this login button, and if your credentials are correct, you will be logged in to your account. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video. And do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.